Here are 5 U.S. stocks under $10 that analysts believe could deliver strong upside potential in the coming months. These aren't random picks. These are companies with real revenue, real products, and real demand. In this video, we break down 5 low-priced U.S. stocks, all trading under $10, with solid fundamentals or strong future potential. Remember, this video is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. 1. Arcos Dorados. Arco. Current price, around $8 to $9. What they do. Largest McDonald's franchise operator in Latin America. Why interesting? Stable cash flow. Strong brand, McDonald's. Expanding consumer base. Risk. Currency fluctuations in South America. 2. Ad Inc. Ad price, $6 to $8. Sector. Home security, smart home. Why interesting? U.S. homeowners market huge. Recurring subscription model. Risk. Competition in smart home industry. 3. Warner Brothers Discovery, WBD. Price, hovering around $8 to $9. Sector. Media streaming. Why interesting? Massive content library. HBO plus Discovery combined ecosystem. Risk. High debt plus streaming competition. 4. Immersion Corporation, IMR. Price, $5 to $7. Sector. Haptics technology, touch response systems. Why interesting? Strong patent portfolio connected to gaming and VR markets. Risk. Small cap volatility. 5. Century Casinos, CNTY. Price, $6 to $7. Sector. Gaming and entertainment. Why interesting? Regional casino expansion. Recovery trend. Risk. Earnings inconsistent. These under $10 stocks offer potential opportunities, but high reward always comes with higher risk. If you want more videos on cheap stocks to buy now or growth stocks under $5, tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly stock breakdowns.